last week we were selling BTC USD. It was at 115 or 114 something, and guys, we hit both of our bearish targets. And you can check out my video, last week's video. It's in the link is in the description as well, or you can check it out on my channel as well. So guys, what I ask in return is just a like and subscribe, nothing else. So what are we going to do this week? That is the question. So guys, we are bearish. So I will keep it simple for you guys. Because if you want to continue lower, we need to stay below 110. Okay guys, as long as we stay below 110, we will be seeing 105 and then 100 this week as well. And if we break above this, guys, we will be seeing 113389 and 117339. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair. So I would like to keep an eye out on 1110. What happens at this price point? Does the price continue higher? Do we have a daily close above this, or we don't? So this is my analysis for next week. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys next week.